Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 22 SSRX. This boat has the captain and co-captain's chair with the stern radius quad bench seating, one of our most popular seating arrangements. This is a tri-tune boat with a full SPS tri-tune package, powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine, and it does have a ski tow bar. Really popular color here with the Rosso red and the platinum interior with the full bamboo woven vinyl flooring. T's going to hand the phone over to me here so I can take you on a little walkthrough of this boat and show you some of the features. All right, everyone. So you got a couple portable cup holders here that are removable, so you can place them throughout the boat. Nice little touch here is designated trash can area. Here's that captain and co-captain seat I was telling you about with the stern radius seating. Really makes for a great conversational area and accommodates a lot of people. Let me show you the helm here. We have the upgraded Bluetooth Rockford PMX stereo system, a flush mount Garmin Striker 4, full instrumentation. This boat will come with a full boat cover and a 10-foot bimini top. And we currently do have this boat available in an assortment of colors. We're gonna do a blue one here next. This will have the ski tow bar on it and a 150 horsepower motor. Thank you all very much. Come see us at MarineMax Greenville, South Carolina.